How to check most recent post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app and then you can go to menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you can tap on see more and then you will find the feeds option. Tap on it. So here it will show you all of the posts in chronological order. Uh, what you can do is you can just scroll down and find all of the feed in chronological order, or you can go to favorites and find your favorite post in chronological order. You can even go to friends and then groups, and then you can find everything that is the most recent on the top, and then once posted later will be below. You can filter this view to see posts from your friends, groups, or pages you follow. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.